Greetings from TaiyangNews. I am Shravan Chunduri, Head of Technology at TaiyangNews. TaiyangNews is on the grounds of Renewable Energy India Expo, currently being held in Delhi. Right now, I am at the booth of Waaree, one of the largest solar PV manufacturers, and I have the opportunity to talk to the leadership from Waaree. So, thanks a lot for taking your time. Could you please say your name and designation?
Yeah, my name is Mayur Mehta. I am a Chief Procurement Officer at Waaree Renewable Technology Limited. Thank you.
Myself is Ravikesh Singh and I am Chief Operating Officer for Waaree Renewable Technologies Limited. I just tell you that Waaree RTL is the EPC arm of Waaree Energies. Waaree Energies, as you rightly said, is India's outside mainland China. We are the number one module manufacturer. Now we are, manufacturing cell also. So we provide a complete. We have came with the complete backward integration right from ingot with the end product module. And obviously, as I said, we are the EPC arm of Waaree Energies. We are executing presently India's largest, in capacity-wise, it's a 2 gigawatt capacity at single location, that is in Bikaner. So that is what our capability. And, as far as RE arena is concerned, we are having a complete solutions, whether you consider for the transformers. We have just acquired one a transformer manufacturing company that was, Kotson. Now it has named as Waaree Transpower. We are now with the inverters also. We are in smart meters. So, all sort of solutions you will get at Waaree. Thank you.
And looking at this integration part. So, what's your long-term vision for the integration? So, vertical and, as you just mentioned, the parallel integration. So, not just staying in the value chain of the PV, but you are also looking left and right. So, I think, what is your strategy here?
We are very clear that we should not be termed as a module manufacturer or a EPC, but we are evolving ourselves as a complete energy transition company. When I am saying that energy transition company, it means that for all either it's vertically or horizontally, we are expanding in all sort of directions. As I said, we are in green hydrogen also. We are looking for a data center also. We have just hired a CEO for a data center, and very soon we will be pitching with the data center, and we are looking a massive investment in data center. So when I am saying that we are evolving as an energy transition company, so our complete goal is we are very much synced with our India's net zero plan. That we should become a net zero not only by 2070 but even before that. So in that way we are evolving ourselves as a complete energy transition company. Thank you.
And looking at the policy side, so there were several policies that really worked for this boom of Indian manufacturing, right? So can you say which one really helped for the overall industry and which one helped you at the most?
See, as far as policies are concerned, yes, there are so many things required to be done as of now also. But yes, I thanks to Government of India that they have taken a good initiative in terms of PLI. Now we have to be considered for the cell also, and for module manufacturing, and in other forms also. So policy related things are Government of India is seriously working on it, and there are so many things are required to be done, which we know as a appropriate forum we are also raising our voice, and I hope and we are crossing our finger that Government of India will surely come with those suggestions which we have provided to them. So yes, we are very sure on it.
Yeah, okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.